peacock flew to his bed. I've never seen a peacock fly like that. That is crazy. Every night, let's see, what time is it? Every night he goes to bed and he sleeps up there, and all the other peacocks gather around the bottom. It's so weird. He just makes himself at home.